Flexible JSON document management is core to Couchbase Capella. Once you've logged into your trial cluster, click Data Tools, then select the Documents tab. This previews the documents that are in the travel sample bucket that comes preloaded with your trial. You can choose buckets, scopes, and collections to get subsets of documents and see them previewed down below. You can also set various options such as limits and offsets. You can also enter a specific document ID or create a more complex filter using a SQL++ where clause. Enter a field name and a value, press Get Documents, and see your filtered results. Click on a document ID to preview the document. You can also edit it in this window. It allows you to view the fields and values that are available for when you're building a query. SQL++ queries are based on the SQL standard with extensions for JSON data interaction. Results from queries can be shown in a JSON format, or as a table, or even as a chart. You can also see the query plan optimizer details, which we'll show in another video. You can manually update documents or use update queries. In this case, we create an address object and move the country values into it. Now in our query, we can query for that address object or the sub-objects within it. In this example, only a couple documents have been updated manually with the address object. Of course, we can also do this programmatically using an update query. In this case, we set an empty object called address in all the documents. You can see in each document, there's now an empty address object. Let me run two more update queries, one for setting the country and one for setting the city. We can set the values used in the update query to draw values from existing fields. In this case, we updated a country and city, and now they'll appear in every one of the documents. So in this way, it's both flexible and friendly, so developers can decide how they want to change the schema on the fly and adapt your queries to match. We'll dig more into indexes, query plans, and other query-related items in our next video. Get started with the free Couchbase Capella trial today. No credit card required, and you can follow along with our examples.